Every day, thousands of Nigerians hit the same Apply Now button, and then silence. No reply, no rejection, nothing. It's not because you're not good enough, it's because something bigger is happening. Right now, the world is quietly rewriting the job market with artificial intelligence. By the year 2030, more than half of entry-level roles could vanish, replaced by code, automation, and machines that never sleep. But here's the twist. A small group of Africans already found the loophole. They're not waiting for help. They're earning in dollars from home. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how they did it and how you can too before it's too late. Let's be honest. The job market in Nigeria feels broken. Fake listings, gatekeepers, experience required for entry-level jobs. Sound familiar? But here's what most people don't realize. The real competition isn't another applicant. It's an algorithm that never sleeps. AI is not coming, it's already here. From banks replacing tellers with chatbots to fintech apps scoring your credit before a human ever reads your form. And while most people scroll past the bad news, a few people saw an opportunity. They realized that automation doesn't kill all jobs, it just replaces those who refuse to evolve. In this video, we'll uncover the simple, realistic steps Africans are using to survive the AI revolution. No hype, no scams. And if you stay till the end, you'll get free templates, CV, cover letter, job tracker, and fee calculator, built specifically for remote dollar-paying jobs. This is not theory, it's real. Let's begin. Most people think AI will only affect tech jobs. That's wrong. Across Africa, entry-level jobs, customer service, data entry, content writing are being automated at lightning speed. In Lagos alone, entire call centers are testing chatbots that can handle 60% of tasks humans used to do. In Kenya and Ghana, finance firms are quietly rolling out machine learning systems to approve loans faster, cutting out entire review teams. But here's the hidden truth. While AI takes away some jobs, it creates others, ones that need people who understand how these systems think. That's where the opportunity lies. If you learn even the basics, Python, data literacy, prompt writing, you can move from being replaced by AI to managing it. This is Amina's story. She worked as a loan assessor in Lagos, reviewing small business applications by hand. Then, the company installed an AI credit scoring system. Overnight, Amina's job and the jobs of her entire team were on the line. The algorithm started rejecting rural farmers because the data was biased, trained mostly from urban clients. Most employees quit or waited for the system to fail. Amina didn't. She joined a free IBM Skills Build program, learned bias detection, and got certified in data ethics. 3 months later, she joined a startup called Periculum, building inclusive AI credit models for low-income Africans. Her new algorithm reduced unfair loan rejections by 25%. The same tech that once threatened her job became her biggest promotion. What happened to Amina is happening everywhere. AI isn't just a tool, it's a filter. It decides who gets a job, a loan, even a chance to be seen. But that filter isn't perfect. It's coded by humans with all our biases and blind spots. So what do? You learn how the system works and use it to your advantage. Here's the first step. Audit your current skills. Compare them to what AI actually needs. Problem solving, communication, Python, data visualization. The gap isn't as wide as you think. You just need direction. Emeka worked in Ibadan as a customer service agent. He handled billing and account complaints for a telecom company. 8 hours a day, headset on, scripts memorized. Then one Monday morning, HR announced the arrival of a generative AI assistant. Translation? Chatbots were coming for his job. But instead of panicking, Emeka searched for the one skill his company would need next, AI interaction specialist. He joined Microsoft's AI skilling program, learned how to train chatbots to respond more naturally, and mastered complex problem escalation. Today, he works at MTN Nigeria, helping fine-tune their AI systems. He earns more, works fewer hours, and mentors others at the same company who once thought they were being replaced. Automation didn't end his career, it upgraded it. So what can you do starting today? Here's a 30-day roadmap designed for Africans facing the automation wave. Week 1. Audit your skills. Identify what you know, what's missing, and start one free AI course. IBM Skills Build, Coursera, or ALX Africa are perfect starting points. Week 2. Build something, anything. Join a Zindi hackathon or create a simple data project using Python. Employers trust results over certificates. Week 3. Connect. Follow African AI communities like Masakane or Deep Learning in DabaX. Collaboration multiplies opportunity. Week 4. Apply smart. Use LinkedIn filters, past week, entry-level, remote. Add Africa OK to find employers open to African applicants. By day 30, you'll have proof of skill, a working portfolio, and a real chance to earn globally. Here's where most people give up, right before the opportunity. But Africa's AI market is projected to grow to $16 billion by 2030. That means thousands of companies from fintech to healthcare will need talent that can bridge human and machine intelligence. Real examples? Alat in Nigeria, Africa's first fully digital bank. M-Shule in Kenya, AI learning through SMS. Jumo in South Africa, AI credit scoring that reduced loan rejections by 25%. They all have one thing in common: they hire Africans who upskill early. So, let's recap. First, audit your skills and learn the basics of AI literacy. Second, build something that proves your skill, even a small project. Third, apply smart and stay consistent. The future won't wait for Africa to catch up, but you don't have to either. Because while most people fear AI will take their jobs, a few will learn to make AI work for them. If you want the same templates that got real Africans hired, the CV, cover letter, job tracker, and fee calculator, drop your email below and type apply or CV. And hit subscribe, because here, we don't just talk about money, we make finance real for Africans. The revolution has already begun. The only question is, will you survive it?